Elite Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning highlights how plumbing care boosts HVAC efficiency. Elite Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning warns that neglected plumbing can quietly reduce HVAC performance, leading to costly AC repairs. The company promotes hydro-jetting as a powerful solution, using high-pressure water to clear blockages, restore water flow, and protect cooling systems from strain. By combining expert plumbing maintenance with regular HVAC care, Elite helps Las Vegas homeowners and businesses prevent breakdowns and keep systems running at peak efficiency.